My name is Lewis Jr. "20 years ago, I was just a regular kid. It's been 2 months since I got out of prison for killing a man who took my mother's life away from me. And I spent 20 years in the pen for avenging her death, and now I'm out. Since the world has changed, hopefully, I'm a changed man. Now, my family need my support more than ever before. But for an ex-con like me, finding a job is not easy. And I don't want to let him down. But it's getting harder every day. It seemed like my next chapter has just begun.
Yo, check your time, B. Always late. Damn.
See them coming what now, no? Them coming no youths.
I see you bring all your crew with you tonight. So, is your boss around?
Who's asking? Who the hell are you anyway, bruh? Are you new?
No, dog. Some just came up for next week that involved $2 million. So my boss was wondering, would your boss be interested in there? You understand?
A $2 million deal?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
The man change his mind, you know.
Does he have a time and a place?
The usual spot. But you gotta take 2 people that you really trust. So you ready to do business, man?
For sure. That's why I'm here, man.
Hold on. Alright. See you on a week, man.
Yeah, it's to everybody going through the struggle, man. I'm here to let y'all know there's people out there going through the same struggle. And I'm here to tell you, it's gonna be alright. Yeah, in this day in the life of a crisis, no job, no money, can't keep up with prices. Pimping and drugs is what sell the fastest, but if you going that route, you might end up in caskets.
Yo, Lo, I think that's him right here. Yo, my man, what's going on? Damn, bruh. It's like that? You gotta even stop by and say what's up, bruh? Huh? I had to hear that in the streets? What's up with that, man?
I plan to stop by a couple of times, y'all, but things kind of hard for me lately, you understand?
Yo, hear me, man. I want you to do me this one favor. As far as money-wise, you ain't got to worry about that no more. You hear?
No disrespect to you again, man. I'm a changed man. Can't go on like this no more. Especially after that 20 years, I learned my lesson. I'm gonna have to take off, fellas.
Yo, Jace, like that, man. I'm only asking you for this one favor, though. You see how I'm rolling. You see how I'm doing it. You my partner. I just want to do the same for you, man.
Keep it up, man. That's nice.
All right, forget you then.
Dear Lord, I know I'm not living right. I'm going through this crisis just to feed the family appetite. If you could save me through the struggles, then I'll make it right. I want my people's right, even if I gotta die tonight. I won't go down, not today, not without a fight. Even if I'm blind, I won't stop until it's in my sight. I like to say, I'm proud to say that I changed my life. But if you look to God, He can make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Make it right.
Can I help you?
Are you Mr. Lewis?
Yeah.
Could you please sign this for me?
Hey, Pop. What's that guy? What you got there?
Guys.
Pop, is it true what Junior said? Is that the papers?
All right, no problem, man. I'm gonna call homeboy right now and see if he's gonna do the deal now. All right, then, later.
Dad, what we're gonna do?
I don't know. I'm only counting on God right now.
All right, Dad, don't worry about it, okay? I'm gonna go to the corner store, okay? All right.
Where's Cassie?
She went to the store.